10 years. It sure doesn't feel like 10 years to me, not at all. Not until I look at myself in the mirror and see all this gray. Or I look at that DVD. That's me. That's me. That's me thumping the dumb waiter away. First night of his opening. Exactly this day, 10 years ago, I can't remember how many we had. I shouldn't be asking Iqbal. Probably Jory would remember. How many was it? 1,300? 700? 300? What was it? 700 people. That particular morning, I was told there were going to be 300 people. By the afternoon, it was 450. By about 6 o'clock in the evening, it was 600 people. Eventually, if I recall correctly, it was about 700 people. And no gas, no electricity. Compared to that, this was a piece of cake. Trust me. No, Hardeep finds it hard to believe that we've been only around 10 years. It feels like a lot more to him. Regardless of where you look at it from, it is a time to reflect and take pride in the institution that Cinnamon Club has become over the last 10 years. It's a time to reflect, consolidate, and nurture the spirit of innovation and creativity, the very foundations of our success at the Cinnamon Club. The only thing constant on our menu in the last 10 years, apart from sangri beans, the only thing constant on our menu at the Cinnamon Club, apart from sangri bean and broken glasses, has been change. For once, we took the view that it wasn't the weakest dish on the menu or the one that sold the least would change. For once, we took a view that the dish that was most successful and the one that people wanted most on the menu needed to go. Because until that went, people wouldn't try anything else. So with our spirit of innovation, creativity, and challenge, that primarily has been the foundation of success here. It's also a time for us to look at this room, this amazing room, with a fresh pair of eyes. Look through the wowed eyes of a guest who experiences this beautiful room for the first time. Because often we can make the mistake of taking it for granted. We come to work every day, 10 years, every 300 days a year or whatever. Walk in, there hasn't been a beautiful sunny morning when I haven't stood in this room and said, boy, I love this room. Thank you, Iqbal, for that. Because everything you went through with John Rosefield, and it's a shame he isn't here tonight because he could then have ratified what you said, some of what you said earlier. It is a beautiful room, and I feel really privileged and proud to be standing and cooking here. It's also an opportunity to engage and build a community, both real and virtual. A lot of you here tonight have been part of this amazing lottery that you won. You went on the website, you left your details, and you were invited to this event. We like people to come in as guests and leave us as friends. Surprise has always been it's been very important, very high up on the agenda at Cinnamon Club. And we often like to work with like-minded, passionate, professional people who share our values. And in keeping with this philosophy, tonight we have amongst us Master Patissier Eric Lanlard, who has especially created an extra dessert for our celebrations. He created Karima, which I hope you all enjoyed. Please show your appreciation for Eric if you had. It's a time to extend thanks to each one of you, our friends, our investors and supporters, who very patiently stood by us. And you very patiently stood by us a very, very long time. I must compliment you. You did a very good job of keeping your concerns to yourself, whatever you might have had. Thank goodness it didn't come out. Or if it did, Iqbal did a really good job of keeping it to him. Thanks to Iqbal for the fantastic vision, for all the energy and the trust he placed in us. There was no way to know if this would work, since there wasn't a precedent. The only way to find out was to believe and to try. We did just that. Thank you. I'd like to thank each one of you who encourage us to try something new through your support. And thanks also to the families who allow us to get on with doing what we do. I know I wouldn't have been able to do a third of what I've been able to do without Archana, my wife here. And most of all, thanks to the team who love this place as much as anyone can possibly love their place of work. I know I am, and the Cinnamon Club is, lucky to have a team with so much love and belonging for the place. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you the Cinnamon Club team.
Without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, to 10 years of the Cinnamon Club and to many, many more.